Ever wondered why your small business struggles to make a mark in the digital world? It's not about the size of the business, but the strategy behind the digital marketing efforts that truly counts. The digital landscape is ever-changing, and staying ahead requires a solid understanding and application of effective strategies. Let's consider a case study to illustrate the power of strategic digital marketing. Meet The Local Brew, a small coffee shop that was struggling to attract new customers and retain the existing ones. Their social media posts were sporadic, their website was outdated, and they had no idea how to engage their customers online. Enter marketers ProInsights. The Local Brew subscribed to this comprehensive platform and started to learn. They discovered resources, attended workshops, and studied case studies tailored for small and local businesses. They began implementing practical strategies and tools they learned through ProInsights. They started posting regularly on social media, revamped their website, and engaged their customers through email marketing. In a matter of months, The Local Brew saw a significant increase in their online engagement. Their customer base grew and their sales increased. They were now not just a local coffee shop, but a well-known brand in their area. The transformation of The Local Brew is a testament to the power of strategic digital marketing. It's a clear example of how a small business with the right tools and guidance can excel in the digital landscape. But the journey doesn't end here. The digital world is dynamic, and what works today might not work tomorrow. Staying updated on the latest trends and strategies is crucial. That's where marketers ProInsights come in. ProInsights not only equips businesses with the tools and strategies they need, but it also provides a community of like-minded professionals. It offers a platform for continuous learning and growth. So, if your business is struggling to make its mark in the digital landscape, remember the story of The Local Brew. The power to transform your business is just a subscription away. Don't let the digital world intimidate you. Embrace it, learn from it, and let it propel your business to new heights. Subscribe to Marketers ProInsights today. Begin your journey towards digital success. Because every business, no matter how small, has the potential to be a big player in the digital world.